So already we will see like Java concepts, right? So we are completing 3 topics on automation testing. So browser interaction commands. To interact with the browsers, we are using different types of commands like get navigate.to, get title, get current URL, get page source code, navigate.back, navigate.refresh, navigate.forward, quit, close, all these kinds of commands we have to see in browser interaction commands. And the fourth topic is locators. Locators. So we have so many types of locators are available. We have 8 types of locators like ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, XPath, and the final one is CSS selector. So we have 8 types of locators. So without locators, we cannot identify any web element in a web page. Okay. So it is very, very important concept. So without locators, we cannot identify any web element. Okay, this is our topic 4. Locators is our topic 4. So it is very, very important. And the coming to the 5th topic, it is nothing but validating an application. Validating an application. Validating an application. This is our topic 5. Validating an application. So what is the difference between verification and validation?
Validation is nothing but we checking the application is working as per expected output or it giving the proper messages.
Okay.
And the verification means it's depend on the documents what we develop.
Okay.
It correct.
So are you compare with actual result with expected result or expected result with actual result?
Expected result in validation
Expected result
with actual result.
actual result. Very
Yeah.
good. Expected result with actual result. In simple terms, verification is nothing but to check whether the developing product is right or not. It is nothing but verification. Validation is nothing but to check whether the developed product is right or not. It is nothing but validation. So verification is done by developers. Validation is done by test engineers. Okay. So to validating an application, we are using here different types of methods. So what are the methods we are using means equals method, equals method, equals ignore case method, equals ignore case method, and then contains method. Contains method. So to validating an application, we are using 3 types of methods: equals method, equals ignore case method, and contains method. So this is nothing but our topic for validating, how we can validating an application. So whether the title is expected title and actual title both are equal or not, expected URL and actual URL both are correct or not, like that you have to verify. Okay, so to validating an application, we are using 3 methods: equals, equals, ignore case method, and contains method. Then coming to the working with edit box or text box. What is text box? Text box.
Input
Working with
box.
edit box or text box. Text box means what?
Input box, password text, username.
Okay, so you can enter some text into the text box, right? Or else you can edit some text into the text box. How you can perform the operations to enter the text into the text box, or you can edit the text into the text box? It is nothing but our topic 6, working with edit box or text box. And then coming to the 7th topic, it is nothing but visibility of an web element. Visibility of an web element. Visibility of an web element. This is our topic 7. So visibility of an web element. So we have used so many methods on the visibility of an web element, whether the like web element is displayed or not, whether the web element is selected or not, or whether the web element is enabled or not. So if the web element is displayed, then it is true. If the web element is not displayed, then it is false. If the web element is selected, then it is true. If the web element is not selected, then it is false. Whether the web element is enabled, then it is true. It is not enabled, then it is false. So how we can check means you can use here three types of methods, like is selected, whether the web element is selected or not, and then is displayed, whether the web element is displayed or not, and then is enabled, whether the web element is enabled or not. We are using here three types of methods to perform visibility of an web element. Okay, so and then topic 8 is working with mouse over actions. Working with mouse over actions. Mouse over actions. Where you can see the mouse over actions in the application. Where you can see mouse over actions in the application. For example, I'm taking here Amazon. So when I am moving my pointer into Hello Sign-in account and list, it will display some submodules, right? It will display some submodules. So I'm not performing here any click operation. Just I am moving my pointer to Hello Sign-in account. So it will display some submodules. This is the main module, and inside this main module we have submodules. So do you heard the about like a high level module and low level modules? HLD and LLD? HLD and LLD. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So HLD and LLD will comes under which phase?
HLD and LLD
Yeah. High level design and low level design.
under test case scenario, designing test case designing.
Very good. In SDLC phases, in designing phase, the HLD and LLD will be there. So HLD is nothing but high level design. LLD is nothing but low level design. Who will create the HLD? High level design?
A tester, we write the high level test cases, and based on a high level test cases, we break down then into low level test cases. I mean, into scenarios.
System architect will design the high level modules.
Okay.
Okay. Then low level modules will be designed by project manager.
Okay.
If high level design is designed, then only LLD will be created. If HLD is created, then only LLD will be performed. Without HLD, you cannot create LLD. Right? Without creating any Hello Sign-in account and list, there is no LLD, right? So first you can create the HLD, then only LLD will be created. Okay. High level design and low level design. High level design is nothing but a module level design. Module level design, and it is done by system architects. Low level design can be a detailed description of every module. A detailed description of every module. It is nothing but a low level module. And it is done by project manager. Okay. So when I am clicking here, Hello Sign In Account Unleashed, it will be navigating into the another web page. That is nothing but sign in page. But I'm not performing any operation in this Hello Sign In account. Just I'm moving my pointer into Hello Sign In. So it will display some submodules. So if you want to perform any action in this Hello Sign In account, then we can use here mouse over actions. Mouse over actions. So here we are using actions class. If you want to automate any web element in Hello Sign In account, you can use here actions class. Okay. So how we can work with mouse over actions? That is our topic 9. Working with the radio buttons. Next, ninth topic is working with the radio buttons. What is radio button? Radio button. Anyone working with radio buttons?
It's a clickable.
Do you see any radio buttons in the applications?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, for on, off, yes, no, we can click radio buttons.
So if you select two options,
Yeah, means one of the option we can choose from the radio button, not two.
yeah,
At a time, only one button you can choose.
yeah. So radio button is nothing but you have to select only one option. You didn't select two options. For example, I'm taking one website. Mm,
For checkbox, we can select multiple, but radio button no.
checkboxes
No.
you have to select multiple, but radio buttons you have to select only one option.
Yes, yes.
So here we have radio options, right? Male and female. So for example, if you select a male button, male should be selected, right? Then if you select a female, then male should be deselected, right? Male should be deselected and female should be selected. So radio button is nothing but you have to select only one option. You cannot select multiple options. Okay. So here we have, this is nothing but checkbox. Orange checkbox, blue is a checkbox. So checkboxes you have to check multiple checkboxes, but radio buttons you have to choose only one option. Okay, that is the difference between checkbox and radio buttons. Checkboxes you have to select multiple options, but radio buttons you have to select only one options. How you can work with radio buttons? How you can work with radio buttons? How you can work with multiple radio buttons? See here we have two radio buttons only, right? So how you can work with multiple radio buttons, two or more radio buttons? That is nothing but our topic. Topic 9, working with radio buttons. And then coming to the topic 10, working with the drop downs. What is drop down?
We can select the multiple value from the top down.
How many types of drop downs we have?
Static and
Multiple
dynamic.
drop-down, single drop-down.
Okay. So I have two types of drop down, single selection drop down and multi selection drop down. Right? So single selection drop down, give me one example for single selection drop down.
City.
City, very good. City, you have to select only one option. Country, you have to select only one option. Pin code, you have to select only one option, right? So that is nothing but single selection drop down. If you want to select multiple options in the single selection drop down, it is possible. So this is nothing but single selection drop down. Here, this is nothing but single selection drop down. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. So if I am selecting here document 1, so the document 1 will be selected, right? Then if you select like document 3, then document 3 is selected, document 1 is deselected, right? So because this is a single selection drop down, you can select only one option. You can select only one option. But in the above, we have like multi-selection drop down like Volvo and then Hyundai, Audi, Shift. So you have to select multiple options here, right? This is nothing but multi-selection drop-down. This is single selection drop-down and this is multi-selection drop-down. Example for single selection drop-down is nothing but country. Multi-selection drop-down is nothing but technical skills. Technical skills. So you have multiple skills, technical skills like Java, C, C++, Python, like multiple. And vegetables, it is also multiple. You have to select multiple options. Fruits, you have to select multiple options. Those are all comes under multi-selection drop-down. So drop-downs are two types: single selection drop-down and multi-selection drop-down. Okay, guys, single selection drop-down and multi-selection drop-down. So how we can work with the single selection drop-down? How you can work with single selection drop down, how you can work with single selection drop down, and how you can work with multi selection drop down. So we are using here, so many methods we are using in single selection drop down and multi selection drop down. This is nothing but multi selection drop down. So we are using here so many methods like get options method and get first selected options method, get all selected options method, and visibility of text and index of Okay, and value, like that we have different types of methods we are using for single selection drop down. So okay, so select by visible text, like select by value, select by index, get options, is multiple, get first selected option, get all selected options, like the different types of methods we are using. So what is the difference between single selection drop down and multi selection drop down is nothing but, so in multi-selection drop down, deselect all option is working. Deselect all option is working. But single selection drop down, deselect all option is not working. Like deselect by index, deselect by value, and deselect by visible text, and deselect all options. So deselect all options is not working for single selection drop down, but multi-selection drop down, it will be working. It will be supported. Okay, so what is the difference for single selection, multi selection? What are the operations we have to perform? What are the methods we are using for single and multi selection drop down? We will see on the topic 10. Okay, and the topic 11 is working with frames. Working with frames. So do you heard about the frame?
Yes.
Frame. Yeah, frame is nothing but a HTML document inside another HTML document. Then it is called frame, or you can call it as a frame. A frame inside another frame. Then it is called iframe or frame. So how we can identify the frame? How to identify the frame? Identify. How to identify the frame? And then what are the methods we are using for the frame? Methods we are using the frame. Okay, so how we can identify the frame, and what are the methods we are using for the frame? How we can switch the frame, how we can switch the frame, and how we can exit the frame. So those are the methods we are using for the frames. That is our topic 11. Topic 11. Then topic 12 is alerts. Alerts. What is alert? Working with alerts. Alert. What is alert? So already you are seeing in manual testing, right? Alerts.
Yes.
What is alert?
The pop-up message which is shown on the windows when we click something.
Yeah, okay. Very good. So alert is nothing but a pop-up message or simple message or notification. We can call it as a alert. So we have how many types of alerts? Types of alerts. How many types? And what are the methods we have to handle the alerts? Methods to handle the alerts. How many types of alerts we have? So we have 3 types of alerts actually. Okay. Simple alert, confirmation alert, prompt alert. Okay. Simple alert is nothing but just okay. The pop-up message will have only okay. Then it is a simple message. Okay and cancel. Then it is confirmation alert. Confirmation alert. Prompt alert, it will display some text. It is nothing but a prompt alert. You have to perform in the prompt alert for two ways. Either you have to perform read you have to perform read operation, that is nothing but get text. We are using here get text method. Or you have to perform some write operation. You have to enter some text into that pop-up message also. That is nothing but prompt alert. So okay is simple alert, okay cancel is confirmation alert, and then prompt alert is nothing but the text in that pop-up message. We have 3 types of alerts. How we can handle that alerts? Either it is a simple alert or prompt alert or confirmation alert. So what are the methods we are using? So that is nothing but our topic 12. And then coming to the topic 13, working with multiple windows. Working with multiple windows. Multiple windows and tabs. What is window and what is tab?
tab we can open under the browser. First tab.
Okay.
And window will open in new browser. I think.
So here this is tab or window.
Now mobile, today's date, reels, price, these are the tab that present on.
No. This is a modules.
Okay.
This is a modules. Okay. This is here online shopping site in India. This is nothing but window. Omayo Blogspot. This is window. We can call it as a tab, but it is not a tab. It is a window only. So when I am moving this one, this is a window only, right?
Oh, yes.
This is window only. Okay. But technology is updated. We can call it as a tab. That's it. But it is not a tab. It is a window only. Okay. So how we can handle that windows and tabs? So what are the methods we are using to handle? So like for example, methods to handle new window. How you can open the new window by using without using any human interaction. How we can open the window, and then on methods to handle tab also, window and tab. How to handle? So this is nothing but we are using here methods, different methods, how we can switch to window and how you can switch to tab, how can you switch to tab to window and window to tab. All the methods we are using in working with multiple tabs and windows. Then working with the scroll operations. Scroll operation. What is scroll operation? Working with scroll operation. In every application we are seeing, right? Scroll operations.
Oh, yes.
How many types we have scroll downs?
Scroll up, scroll down,
Very good. Scroll up, scroll down,
Left, no.
left, right.
left and right. Very
Right.
good. Left and right. So types of operators, like types of scroll downs. Scroll downs. So we have horizontal scroll down and vertical scroll down. Two types of scroll downs we have. The first one is horizontal scroll down. Horizontal scroll down. And the second one is vertical scroll down. What is horizontal and what is vertical? What is horizontal and what is vertical? Horizontal is nothing but a row or column.
Horizontal is a row.
Very good. Horizontal is nothing but a row.
So
It is
left to right we can do
Yeah. Vertical is nothing but
column. It's up
column,
and up. Scroll
column,
up, scroll down.
scroll down, x-axis and y-axis, like that. Okay. Horizontal scroll down and vertical scroll down. So what are the methods? What are the operations we have to perform for the horizontal scroll down and vertical scroll down? So by using three ways we have to perform scroll downs. By using pixels, you can scroll down the web page. And by using visibility of the web element, you can scroll down the web page. And by using bottom of the web page, you can scroll down the web page. Okay. By using three ways we have to scroll down the web page. By using pixels, you can scroll down the web page. And by using visibility of the web element, you can scroll down the web page. And by using bottom of the web page, you can scroll down the web page. Okay. So you have to perform three ways to scroll down. So those operations we have to see in working with the scroll operations, how you can scroll down. And then the topic 15 is working with keyboard actions. Working with keyboard actions. Keyboard actions. Working with keyboard actions. How we can work with keyboard actions? So we have how to copy the text. How to select the text.
Control
What is the shortcut? Control plus
A.
A for select. Control plus C.
Copy.
Copy. Control plus V.
Paste. Sorry, control paste via paste.
Paste. Control plus X.
But
Control plus R.
reverse. Sorry.
Redo.
Redo. Sorry.
Okay. Like that, we have different types of commands are used in the keyboard, right? So by manually, we are using like control plus C, control plus A, control plus V, control plus X, control plus R, control plus D, control plus E, like that, right? By using automation testing, how we can perform those operations? That is nothing but working with keyboard actions. What are the methods to handle that keyboard? So how we can select the text, how we can copy the text, how we can paste the text, how we can cut the text. Okay, how we can enter the backspace, how we can enter the forward space, how we can enter the space, how we can enter the right click, left click, right? So right arrow, left arrow, bottom, top, slash, functioning keys. All these keys will comes under, we have to see in working with keyboard actions only. Okay. Then the topic 16 is working with screenshots. Working with screenshots. So by manually, how many ways to take the screenshot? By manually, how we can take the screenshots? How many ways we can take the screenshots?
We can do a print screen.
Very good. Print
Then
screen.
some tools are there, snipping tools.
Okay.
You can take a screenshot from that as well.
Either you have to use a print screen, or else you can use a snipping tool, or else Windows Shift plus S, right? You can take so many ways to take the screenshot or to capture the screenshot in your system, right? So same like that in automation testing, how many ways we have to take the screenshot? That is our concept. To capture the screenshot as full page, you can capture the screenshot as full page or full web page, and you can capture the screenshot from section of the page. Some section of the page is nothing but some part of the full page. You can take this, you can capture the screenshot as section of the page, and you can take the screenshot for single web element. Take the screenshot as single web element on a web page. Single web element on a web page. Single web element on a web page. Like that, we have to take screenshots in 3 ways in automation testing. Okay, so that is nothing but to capture the screenshot. By manual, you can take the screenshot. By using automation testing, how you can take the screenshot? That is our topic 16. And then topic 17 is working with Excel operations. That is nothing but our topic 17, working with Excel operations. What is Excel? Where you can see the Excel?
Microsoft Office.
Yeah. Excel is a Microsoft MS Office product only, right? Excel
Yeah.
operation. So MS Word, MS Office products are, how many products are there?
MS Word, MS Office.
MS
Sorry.
Word, MS Office,
Excel, PowerPoint.
Excel, PowerPoint, PPT. Okay. Any else? So do you know only 3 to 4 only, right? Excel,
Outlook.
Word, PPT. Okay.
Outlook also
Outlook.
done.
Very good. Very good. Outlook. Publisher.
Publisher, Teams,
Teams.
Notes.
Notes, OneNote.
Yes,
So
one.
these are all the products for MS only, right?
Yeah.
Excel, where you can see the Excel in your system, you can see the Excel, right? For example, I am opening Excel here. Excel. Where you can see the Excel in your system, you can see the Excel, right? Under Excel, what you have to identify? What you can identify under Excel?
Data present under the row and column.
So under Excel, you can identify the workbook. Okay, this is nothing but workbook. This is nothing but workbook. Under workbook, you can identify the sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like that. Okay. Under sheets, you can identify the rows. Under rows, you can identify the cell. Under cell, you can identify the text. Okay. So this is the way we have to perform operations on the Excel. So in Excel operations, either you have to perform read operation or else you have to perform write operation. That's it. Right. First, you have to identify the Excel in your system. Under Excel, you can identify the workbook. Under workbook, you can identify the sheets. Under sheets, you can identify the rows. Under rows, you can identify the cells or columns. Under that cell, you have to identify the text. Either you have to enter some text into the Excel or else you have to read the text into the Excel. So you have to perform only two operations, right? In Excel, either you have to perform read operations or else write operations. Write operations. How to read the data into Excel? How to read the data Excel to your script? How to write the data in the Excel data into script into Excel? That is nothing but read operation and write operation. How to read the data in Excel through script? How to write the data into Excel through script? This is the operations we are performing in Excel. So read operation and write operation. We are using here different types of methods like file input stream, XSSF workbook, XSSF sheet, XSSF row, XSSF columns, cells, get sheet, get row, create sheet, create row. Okay, so like that we have different types of methods we are using for Excel operations. That is our topic 17. And then topic 18 is working with log4j. Working with log4j. This is our topic 18. So working with log4j. So whenever we are using system.out.println, so the data will be printed in console, right? So whenever we are using system.out.println, the data will be printed in the console. In the output, it will be printed. For example, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, I am giving. So a plus b equal to 30, the output will be getting, right? But the output is a temporary data. It is a temporary data. Temporarily it is storing. But whenever we are using log4j concept, whatever you have to execute it, that executed data will be stored permanently into your project, along with the timestamp, date, month and year, seconds and milliseconds also it will be given. So system.out.println is used for storing temporary data. Whenever we are using log4j concept, it is stored permanent data into your project. So that is the concept of working with the log4j. So we need one properties file also in log4j. So this properties file will be provided by your company, okay, to store the data permanently into your project. So but I am giving you sample log4j properties file. How we can work with log4j, I will explain in topic 18. Okay, so then synchronizations, topic 19 is synchronization or wait methods. Synchronization or wait methods. So we have wait method for Java also. So in Java we have thread.sleep. So it will wait some time, right? So in Selenium we have three types of waits. The first one is implicit wait. Second one is explicit wait. And the third one is fluent wait. We will see these three topics. What is the uses for implicit wait and what is the uses for explicit wait and what is fluent wait. So what is wait? So all these concepts we have to see in synchronization or wait methods. That is our topic 19. And coming to the topic 20, that is nothing but very, very important. That is nothing but TestNG. TestNG is our topic 20. TestNG is our topic 20. So introduction to TestNG. TestNG is nothing but test next generation. It is come from JUnit and NUnit. Okay, so first we will see here introduction to TestNG, introduction to TestNG, and how we can configure that TestNG into your Eclipse. Configuring TestNG into Eclipse. And then what are the annotations we are using TestNG? Annotations. What are the annotations? We are using TestNG. We are using so many annotations like at the rate before test, at the rate after test, at the rate test, at the rate before method, at the rate after method, at the rate before class, at the rate after class, at the rate before suit, at the rate after suit, at the rate parameters. Okay, so at the rate data provider, like that we have used here different types of annotations we are using. So why we are using annotations means, so and it is very easy for TestNG framework. So we'll see on TestNG concept only, and you can prioritize the test cases also. Prioritization, prioritizing test cases also. Prioritizing test cases also. You can prioritize. So first you can run this test case. You have to prioritize like priority equal to 1, priority equal to 2, priority equal to 4. Like that you can prioritize the test cases also, and then you can ignoring the test cases also. Ignoring the test cases also. For example, we have 100 test cases. In that 100 test cases, you can just run only 50 test cases. Remaining 50 test cases, you can ignore. How you can ignore means by using some methods, you can ignore the test cases. By using enabled equal to false, you can ignore the set test cases also. By using TestNG framework, it is a very advantage we have. And we have so many advantages in TestNG also. And serial and parallel execution is also possible. Serial and parallel execution is also possible. What is serial and parallel? Serial is nothing but one by one, step by step it will be executing. Parallel is nothing but if both the browsers are open at the same time, then it is called a parallel. So if two applications, when I am taking Amazon and Flipkart application, how it will be working? So when you are performing serial execution, how it will be working? When you are performing parallel execution, how it will be working? So it is a TestNG support serial and parallel execution also. It generates testng.xml reports also. Testng.reports. TestNG.xml reports, XML reports. TestNG.xml reports also it will be generating. And using TestNG, the grouping is also possible, and using TestNG like assertions is also possible. So we have so many types of advantages using TestNG framework. Those concepts we have seen topic 20, that is nothing but TestNG. And coming to the topic 21, this is nothing but cookies. Cookies. So do you see cookies? Where you can see the cookies? Cookies.
Browser history.
Very good. Browser history. If you want to enter some data into browser or any Google form, first time if you enter any data into the Google form, who will capture that data? Cookies will capture the data. Cookie will capture that data. Whenever you have to perform reset option, we have submit and reset in Google form, right? So if you submit, it is successfully submitted. Your form will be successfully submitted. If you are clicking on reset, then when you are performing reset on the Google form, what happened?
Data will present in cookies, but it
All fields should be clear, right?
right.
If you reset, all fields should be clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Once all fields should be clear, if you enter some data into another Google form, then the data will be automatically coming. So if you are enter the cursor in username, automatically the data will be coming. So who will store the data means cookies will store that data. Okay, for any application we have cookies. So how we can work with cookies? Working with cookies. And then how we can handle the cookies in WebDriver? Handling cookies in WebDriver. And then what are the commands? What are the commands we are using for cookies? Commands Commands in cookies. So we have different types of commands we are using in cookies, like get cookie, add cookie, delete all cookies, get cookie name, get cookie name and get cookie value, get cookies, like the different types of methods we are using for cookies. You can add the cookie into the website, or else you can delete the cookies into the website, or you can delete all the cookies into the website, or you can add multiple cookies into the website. You can capture the size of the cookies also, and you can get the name of the cookies also, and when it will be started, and when it will be created, and when it will be expired also. We'll get all this information by using these commands only. Okay, so that is our topic 21. And then coming to the topic 22. So this is nothing but Maven. Maven. So we are seeing here two types of project. We are creating two types of projects. The first one is Java project. Second one is Maven project. So I will explain you two projects, Maven project and as well as Java project also. So Maven project, so what is Maven project? What is the difference between normal Java project and Maven project? How we can create the Maven project? All these kinds of information we have to provide in Maven project, like introduction to Maven, and differences between Java project and Maven project, and how we can create Maven project. Maven project. So we'll say in topic 22. This is our topic 22. Maven creation or Maven project. How you can create the Maven project. Okay. Then coming to the frameworks. Frameworks. So we'll see here frameworks. Frameworks like Cucumber framework. Cucumber framework. It is very easy framework. Cucumber framework is very easy framework, and it is very easy to understand for any persons, either technical persons or non-technical persons. It will be very easy to understand Cucumber framework. Okay, and then POM framework. POM framework. This is one more framework, and then hybrid framework. Hybrid framework. Cucumber framework, POM framework, and hybrid framework. Hybrid framework is nothing but combining two frameworks. We can call it as a hybrid framework. Or combining TestNG with Cucumber, it is nothing but a hybrid framework. Combining TestNG with POM, then it is hybrid framework. Combining TestNG with Cucumber with POM, any two frameworks, we can call it as a hybrid framework only. Okay, so in TestNG, you have to see like data provider. So that is nothing but data-driven testing or data-driven framework, you can call it as. So you have to see different types of frameworks also. And then automating window components. Window components. Automating window components is our topic 24. Is our topic 24. Automating window components. So it's nothing but if your Selenium WebDriver automates only web-based applications. Okay, only web-based applications it will automate. If you want to automate any window-based applications or mobile-based applications, then you can use third-party tools or third-party softwares you can use. So if you want to automate any window-based applications, then we can use here AutoIT tool. AutoIT tool. We are using here AutoIT tool. And how we can handling window components. Handle the window components. Window components. How to handle the window components, and how we can download. How we can download and install. Download and install AutoIT. AutoIT. And how we can upload the file in. How to upload the file in Selenium using AutoIT. Using AutoIT. So this is our topic 24. So automating window components. How we can automate. How we can automate. This is our topic 24. And the topic 25 is Git. Topic 25 is Git and GitHub. Git and GitHub. This is our topic 25. How you can store, how you can push, how you can store the information, project related information into the GitHub. GitHub is nothing but a database. Okay, GitHub is nothing but the database. So we are using so many commands to push the data, to pull the data. Okay, so this is nothing but Git and GitHub. Total 25 topics we have to see in automation testing using Selenium with Java programming. Okay, so here this we will see in automation testing. Clear everyone, what are the topics we are going to see in automation testing?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So in automation testing, will be automate only window-based applications, right? It will automate only window-based applications or web-based applications
Web-based.
or mobile-based applications. Which one is correct?
Web-based.
Very good. Web-based applications. Web-based applications. Selenium WebDriver automates only web-based applications. It will not automate any window-based applications as well as mobile-based applications. For example, if you want to automate any window-based applications or mobile-based applications, then you can use third-party softwares or third-party tools. So, for example, if you want to automate any window-based applications, then you can use AutoIT. If you want to automate any mobile-based application, then you can use AppM tool. Okay, like that we are using the tools. Some tools are commercial tools and some tools are open source tools. So open source is nothing but it is a free tool. Everyone can use, everyone can access that tools, right? So commercial tool is nothing but you have to pay some amount and buy that tools. That is nothing but commercial tools. Okay, so the first we are seeing the Java concepts. So what are the softwares we have to install? In Java, must and should you have to install. So IDE, that is nothing but Eclipse, integrated development environment, is nothing but either Selenium related scripts. Listen, either Selenium related scripts and Java related scripts. Selenium related scripts and Java related scripts can be written in this IDE only. This IDE only, that is nothing but Eclipse. So here we are using the tool to write the scripts. Either Java or Selenium related scripts can be written in Eclipse tool only. Okay, and we are using the programming language Java. We are using the programming language here Java. Okay, so first we can how to download and install Java. So first we have to create the environment for Java. First you can create the environment for Java. After installation is completed, then you can see the Java concepts. Okay, the first one is Java. So under Java, the first one is download and install Java. Download and install Java. How to download and install Java? Okay, so first we need to install the Java. First you need to install the Java. How we can download and install the Java version? How we can download and install the Java means, so first you can go to the official website. You can go to the official website. So what is the official website for Java means? So in previously Java is acquired by Sun Microsystems. Java is acquired by Sun Microsystem. But currently it is being maintained by Oracle corporations. So search here JDK download. You can download the JDK in two ways. This is an official website. JDK download is the official website. So you can see here, this is nothing but Oracle because Java is acquired by Oracle Corporation currently. In previously, Java is acquired by Sun Microsystems. Okay, so actually Java project, they started the Java project in the year of 1991. 1991, they started Java project. But officially it is released on 1996. Officially, it is released on 1996. Who invent Java? Who invent Java? James Gosling. James Gosling is invented by Java along with few other people. They are invented. They started this project in the year of 1991, but officially it is released on 1996. Officially it is released on 1996. So in previously Java is acquired by Sun Microsystems, but currently it is being maintained by Oracle systems, Oracle corporations. So that's why this website, whatever you have to see in the Java website, that websites you can have in a Oracle only. Okay. So Java JDK can be downloaded in two ways. Two ways you have to download the JDKs. Two ways I will explain you. So just go to the official website, Java downloads here. Click on Java downloads. Click on Java downloads. And then if you want to install the latest version, just click on Java downloads. If you want to download any old version, then go to the JDK. If you want to download JDK 11 download, you have to open this website. You can open this website and then scroll down, and then after scroll down, so you have to install here 11.0.0 Windows x64-bit binary.exe format. You have to install here Windows x64 installer. Windows x64 installer, JDK 11.0.20 Windows x64-bit binary.exe. Just you can click this link. Automatically it will ask you one pop-up message. Just you can accept the license and terms and agreement. Then click on download JDK 11.0.20 Windows x64-bit binary.exe. Okay, just click. You can click that one. Then it will ask you sign in to Oracle. So if you have already an account for the Oracle, just sign in. If you don't have any account for the Oracle, then you can click on create account. Then one Google form will be open like this. So you have to fill all the fields. So here star is nothing but asterisk is nothing but it is a mandatory field. So mandatory field is nothing but you have to must and should have to enter some text into that fields, right? So you have to enter the Google form and then click on create account. So you will get one verification mail, whatever you are providing here, email address, that verification, it will be going into one verification mail. Just click on verify email and then automatically it will be downloaded into your system. That is the first method. This is the first method. And the second method is, this is the old method and traditional method. And the second method is go to the Java downloads. And go to here Windows, Linux, Mac, OS, Windows, right? So these are operating system types. So Windows operating system, go to the Windows operating system, x64 installer. Click on this one. Okay, x64 install. This is the latest version. Okay, guys. So first what you have to do here. So first go to the official website. That is nothing but a JDK download. Go to the official website, JDK download, and then open the first link and then scroll down, go to Windows, and then x64 installer. We have this link, right? So first now you can install the latest version of JDK 23. Go to the official website and then click on Windows. Then we have here bin.exe format, right? So I'm using here bin JDK 24 we have here. So if you want to download JDK 23 also you have to download. So now the version will be updated JDK 24. So just click on JDK 24, guys, here. So it is downloading automatically. When you are clicking here this link, it is downloaded automatically. Right? So it is downloaded, right? So all of you able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay. It is downloading automatically. So in previous, whatever I am explaining, that method is you have to provide all the required fields. If you enter all the required fields, then only it will be downloaded. But the latest version, automatically it will be downloaded. So either you have to follow the first method or second method, your wish. So here, without asking anything, we are able to download the latest version, right? It is not asking any username and passwords. How you can create, whether it is create a project or not, how you can create like that, all the information you have to see after downloading this JDK. So it is downloaded, right?
Yes.
It is downloaded. So either you have to open. Okay, so it is showing one pop-up message like this one. It is showing one pop-up message if you want to allow this app or not. So that pop-up message will contain like two options like yes and no, right? So just click on yes here, click on yes here, and it will be installed Java in your machine by showing this pop-up message next. Okay, it is showing like the pop-up message next. Then click on next here, click on next here, and then click on next. Click on next and then click on. So it is so it will take some few minutes. Then close. Just click on close. Then the Java is successfully installed into your system. Okay. How you can check the Java is successfully installed into your system or not? So just you can go to the file explorer, go to the C drive, and then program files, go to the program files and search here Java. If the folder have Java, then it is successfully installed into your system. Okay, double click on this folder. So already previously I'm installing here JDK 11. Now I'm installing here JDK 24. This is the latest version, right? Double click on this one, JDK. So we have bin and lib folder is there, right? Everyone should understand how to download the JDK.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So Java is successfully installed, right? But now we need to add Java bin path and Java lib path to the environment variables. This bin path and lib path you have to add into the environment variables. For me, I won't get any issue, guys. So, but some of our students will getting issues without adding bin and lib path. Okay, so that is the reason I'm going to show you like how we have to add lib and bin path to environment variables. Okay, how you can add means just go to the Windows here, click on Windows icon here, and then search here environment variables. Search here environment variables. Edit the system environment variable. Okay, click on edit the system environment variable. Edit the environment variables. Okay, it is display, the pop-up message will be displayed like this. Go to advanced here and click on environment variables. So go to advanced here and then click on environment variables. Environment variables. So we have here user variables, we have here user variables and system variables, right? User variables and system variables. So no need to change any location here. User variables and system variables. Just double click on the path here. Just double click on the path here. Double click, and then this pop-up message will be displayed like this. Pop-up message will be displayed like this. Then click on new here. Click on new here. Click on new. Click on new. Go to the JDK 24 bin folder. Bin folder. Double click on this bin folder. Add this one. Copy the path. Copy the bin path and click new and paste here. And paste here. Okay. Same like that. Go to the lib folder. Go to the lib folder and then copy the lib folder path. Copy the control plus C for copy. Copy the lib folder and then click on new. Click on new and control plus V. Control plus V is paste. To paste that one. Okay. Paste that one. Okay. Then just click on OK. Just click on OK and again click on OK here. And again click on OK here. And again click on OK here. Okay. So again click on OK here. So that's it. Next you can you can open the Windows again here and then go to the command prompt. Search here command prompt. Search here command prompt. Open command prompt. Open command prompt. Just type here Java space hyphen version and then click on enter. Java space version here and then click on enter. Which version we are using here? 24 version. 24 version, right? JDK 24 only we are installing, right? So 24 version we have. So go to the official website here. Which version it is? 24 only, right? 24 only, right?
Yeah.
So the Java version is 24. First, we need to install the Java. Later on, we will verify whether we are able to see the Java version or not. We are seeing Java version right in command prompt.
Yes.
Okay, so it is successfully installed into your system. It is successfully installed into your system. So some of the systems can ask this one. And must and should they need environment variables. Otherwise, no need to add any. If it is working fine, then no need to add any environment variables into your machine. Okay. So this is the way you need to download the. We need to download the JDK Java Development Kit. This is the way you need to download the Java Development Kit. So first. So we want to copy this URL. Copy. Okay. So I'm pasting here. Then after installing this one, after installing JDK 24, then command prompt. Open command prompt. Command prompt, that is nothing but a CMD. Command prompt in CMD. CMD is nothing but command prompt. And search here Java space hyphen version. Java hyphen space version. Okay. So this is the way we need to download and how we can check the version, how it is successfully installed into your machine. Okay. This is the way we have to see. Java space hyphen version. Java hyphen space version. Okay. So it is clear, everyone, how to download and how we can check whether the JDK is downloaded successfully into your system or not.
Yes.
Or else I will explain one more time.
No. It's clear.
It's clear.
Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone. If you are not clear, I will explain one more time. So I will explain you one more time. See, first you can open official website, that is nothing but JDK 11. So our JDK downloads. JDK downloads. Open the first website. Open the first website. Scroll down. Go to the Windows operating system here. And then download here x64 installer. If you are clicking this link, automatically it will be downloaded into your machine. Then you can go to the File Explorer or Windows. You can go to the downloads here. Downloads. So automatically it will be installed into your machine. So double click on this one. So it will ask you one pop-up message either yes or no. You can accept the like app or not. So just click on S here. Click on S. And then it will ask you one pop-up message like click on next, and then install. So I am already installed, right? So that's why it is getting one pop-up message. Are you would you like to reinstall it? Like that, this pop-up message will be getting. Okay. So after installation is completed, then you can go with the environment variables. Then you can go with the environment variables. Go to the Windows here. Search here environment variables. Search here environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Go to the advanced and then go to the environment variables. So no need to change here any user variables and system variables. Go to the system variables and double click on this path. Double click on this path. Then we have to add here lib and bin folders. Lib and bin folders. So go to this. Again, go to the downloads, JDK, so C drive. Go to the C drive, program files, then Java, double click on Java, double click on JDK 24. We have bin and lib folder is right? So double click on that bin folder, then copy the path for that bin folder, Control+C for copy and paste it into, click on new here and paste here. Okay, and paste here. Same like that. Bin also you have to add. So go to the bin folder, lib folder, double click on the lib folder, copy the path and add it into your system. Okay, for as of now I am removing this one. I'm deleting this one. Okay, and then click on OK, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. Okay, so now how we can check whether the Java is successfully installed into your machine or not? Then go to the command prompt, open the command prompt here in Windows, open the command prompt and search here Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version, and then click on enter. So the Java version is 2025-03-18. So this when it is released means 2025-03, third month and 18 date. So it is released. So the Java version is 24. Like that, you have to install JDK version into your machine. After installing JDK version into your machine, then you can install Eclipse. So everyone, it is clear how to download JDK version into your machine. Clear, ma?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now I am going to install Eclipse. Install Eclipse. How to install Eclipse? Okay, how to install Eclipse? Go to the official website. Again, go to the official website. Go to the official website. Nothing but Eclipse. Download. Okay, Eclipse download or eclipse.org.downloads, whatever it may be. Go to this website. Open the first website here. So here it will be showing like download, right? For example, if you want to download any previous versions, then you can click here need help. Okay. If you want to download any previous versions, then go to need help here. Click on need help. Scroll down. So here the versions will be available. Eclipse versions will be available. Eclipse versions will be available. So these are all the Eclipse versions. This is all Eclipse versions only. Eclipse versions only. So if you want to download any, if you want to download the latest version of Eclipse, no need to go with, no need to go with need help here. Directly you can go with the download here. So download x68 and 64-bit. So it will support both 32-bit and 64-bit now. Okay. Then click on download here. Click on x64-bit and then it will be navigating into another web page. Here download is right. It is showing download. So just click on download. Just click on here, download. It will be downloaded automatically. So it will be downloaded automatically. Okay, it will be downloaded automatically. Able to see Eclipse is downloaded automatically, guys? Are you able to see?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Guys, remember people should have proper network. So it will be download will be very easy. Otherwise, Eclipse will take 1 hour or more than 1 hour as well.
Yeah.
Understand, ma?
Yeah.
Everyone. So it will take some time.
It's taking a time, I think.
Yeah, it will take some time. So if you have a proper network, then it will be easy.
Okay.
So until now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will explain one more time. First, you need to install like Java and Eclipse. After that, we will move into the concepts, like what are the topics we have discussed in Java.
Okay. Now tomorrow is no class, right? Direct.
Yeah, tomorrow is no class.
Okay. Next Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, next Saturday and Saturday.
Okay.
Saturday. So you can download like one or more Eclipse in your machine, no problem. It will be accepted. So already I have 2 Eclipses in my system.
Okay.
So it will be downloaded, right? So double click on this. Go to the downloads. So it will be downloaded, right? So double click on this icon.
Yes.
Okay.
So from starting, we are following the framework pattern, or in last we will see.
Yeah. So first you can download the Eclipse.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can install the Eclipse. So in previous part, we'll see like how to download the Eclipse. Now we have to install. Either you have to install here Eclipse IDE for Java developers or Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java or web developers. Now I'm going to install here Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Double click on this one. Okay, double click on this one. Then install. Click on install here. Okay, click on install. So here Eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but Eclipse is nothing but is an IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. So it is a place. It is a place where we are going to store all your project related information. All your project related information. That is nothing but coding. Okay. So it is a place. It is a place where we are going to store all our project related information in the form of code only. Nothing but code. Okay. This is nothing but an Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE, integrated development environment, and it is a place where we are going to store all our project related information in the form of coding. Okay, that is nothing but Eclipse. IDE, integrated. Integrated is nothing but combining. Integrated is nothing but combining multiple languages. Either Java programming language and Selenium programming language can be integrated into one tool. That is nothing but Eclipse IDE. Okay, so this is nothing but Eclipse IDE. So it will take some more time. So after installation is completed, then the icon will be displayed. Icon will be displayed like this. In my system, it is visible, all of you. Are you able to see?
Yes.
This one or this one, right? So already I'm installing 2 Eclipses in my system. I want to install here latest version. So it will take some time. Will take some time to install. So first, we need to create one workspace under your machine. Under your system, you need to create one folder. So I'm creating one folder here, new folder. Folder name is your wish. I am giving here online online batch. I'm giving here online batch. This is my folder. So already it is having, okay. So online one. So I'm giving here, folder name is online one. Okay. So I'm opening here in my previous Eclipse. Double click on that Eclipse. Double click on that Eclipse. So it will be launching. The Eclipse will be launching. If installation is completed, this installation is completed, then icon is displayed like this only. Just double click on that icon. Then the Eclipse will be started. First time it will be take some time. Okay, the installation is completed, right? So just launch, click on launch. Click on launch. So this is 2025-03 version, and in previously I am showing you 2024 to 03 version. Okay, so this is the latest version. This is the latest version. So here it will be asking you. So now I am creating here one folder in my system, right? Online one is created in my system. Just you can click on browse and navigating into the your folder. So go to the desktop. In desktop, I am creating here like online one. Oh, desktop, right? Folder is there, right? Online one I am creating here. Just click on online one folder, select folder. Okay. C drives, users, desktop, online one. Then click on launch here. Okay. Clear everyone? This is nothing but workspace. Here I am creating one folder in my system, right? So this is nothing but workspace. Workspace is nothing but if you want to store all the project related information into your workspace only. Okay, all the project related information will be stored into this workspace only. Okay. Then click on launch here. Just copy. It's okay. Browse. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Online one. Select a folder and launch. Continue. So it will be launching. Okay, already it will be open. File. Switch workspace to other. Click on launch. In desktop, I'm creating one new folder. This is nothing but Java course. Java course. And then select folder and then click on launch. after installing JDK and Eclipse, then how we can create a Java project, like then how we can create the package, how we can create the class, all this information I will explain you. Okay, so it will after launching your Eclipse, the window will be like this. Okay, so the window will be like this. Welcome window. This is an welcome window. So here we have, I'm closing that pop-up window. Okay, pop-up window. Here we have create a Java project, right? Just click on create a Java project. This is the one way you need to create the Java project, or else go to the file menu, and then click on new, and then click on Java project. Click on Java project. So here you have to provide Java project name. So I'm giving here core Java. I'm giving here core Java. Okay, and you need to select here Java version. So I mean Java version, you have to select here Java SE23, and then you click on create module info, not create info module, and then click on finish, and then click on finish. So the project will be created like this. The project will be created like this. Okay, so under project you can create classes. Under class you can create under packages you can create classes. So how we can create the project means file, go to new, and then click on project, and then click on project like that. I'm showing in my previous workspace. Other desktop Java launch. Okay, under SRC Java, we need to, how you can create the project. Everyone clear, right? How to create the project? Create the Java project. Create the Java project. How to create the Java project? First, you can go to the file menu. Then click on new. Then click on new. Then click on Java project. Click on Java project. This is the first method. And the second method is, so go to the file menu. Go to the file menu and then click on new. Click on new and select others option. Select here others option and then type Java project. Java project. Java project and type Java project. Then select Java. Select Java. So you have to create projects in two ways. Okay, then you can enter the name of your Java project. Enter the name of the Java project and click on next button. Click on next button. Click on next button. Okay, so how you can create means just go to the file menu. Go to the file menu, new Java project. This is the first method. In that Java project, you have to give the name and then click on create module info Java and then click on finish. Like that you have to give in. This is the first method. And the second method is file, new, click on other, search here, type here, Java, and then click on Java project here. Give the project name here and then didn't click here module info and then click on finish. For example, I'm giving one more project here. I'm creating one more project. This is nothing but new project, and then click on finish. Click on finish. So the new project will be created under my package explorer, right? This is the way you need to create the project in your Eclipse IDE. Okay. So after creating Java project in your Eclipse, then how to create a Java project? How to create a Java project? How to create Java project? We will see this concept on tomorrow's session. Guys,
Yes, yes, no, yes, no issue.
okay. How to create a Java?
Tomorrow is Saturday, right?
Tomorrow means next Saturday only. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we will connect next Saturday.
7 o'clock only.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. How to create a Java package into your project. We will see this concept on next class, next session. Okay. Clear everyone how to download the Java JDK and how to download the Eclipse.
Yes, yes.
Clear
Yes.
everyone? So
Yeah.
in JDK, we have to download two ways. You have to download. First, you can download JDK 11. You need to create Oracle account on that. Or else you can go with the latest version. You have to download. After downloading, then you can go to the environment variables and you can add here lib and libpath folders, and then go to the command prompt, open the command prompt and search Java space hyphen version. Okay, then the Java version will be displayed there. And then next you have to download and install the Eclipse. Okay, so if you want to download latest version of Eclipse, no problem, or else you have to download old versions also. If you want to download the old versions, you have to download like 2022 to 12 or 2024 to 03. Why? Because the latest version, if you take the latest version, means it will be that the software will be updated day by day,
Okay.
day by day it will be updated, right? So that's why you have to take the older version. You can take the older version better.
Okay.
Okay, so older version means just you can go one more time. I'm explaining you. Go to the official website here, eclipse.org.downloads. Open the first website here. First website. Go to here, need help, right? Need help. Click on need help here, and then scroll down here. Older version. Click on older versions. So the Eclipse versions will be displayed like this. So you need to download here 2024 to 03. Or 2022 to 12 or 2022 to 12. 2022 12 or 2022 to 12 or 2024 to 03. This is the stable versions of Eclipse. Okay. So for example, if you want to download 2025 to 03 means the software will be updated day by day. Okay. So we will get some issues for this latest version of Eclipse. So that's why you have to take here 2024 to 03 or 2022. So for example, if you want to download like 2024 to 03, just click on 2024 to 03. Same like that. So
Okay.